like getting your nails done? Look at Grandma. Okay guys, got my nails done. Aubrey's done with her nails. And now it is like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Super, super hot. I'm so glad. And I still have 2 yards to do. I gotta do my mom's yard over there, and I gotta do this yard. Mowed all that. Then we have dinner, and then sleep for a little bit, and then we're off to the airport. Let's go to Disney! Ah! I gotta get to work. All right, bye.
We're gonna do a TikTok.
Kind of. Okay, guys, we need to go jump in the shower and get our clothes on for traveling to the airport.
No, I wanna do this.
Oh, she wants to do a TikTok. Well, we'll do that after, okay? Ready? Let's go change. Ready? Go! Hey, we're dressed and ready to go! What's up, Maddie? You ready?
Oh my God,
Let's see.
So big.
They do.
I
Let's
knew
see your outfit that you're wearing on the plane. You've got this cute sweater. It's so soft.
All for $1 off of Wish.
Oh.
Look at my poor little pinky. Pinky's up!
What happened to your finger?
I heard it at work. Workers come.
Yep, so she's all comfy. She did all of our packing. I have to clean up in here now. I feel so bad that I haven't helped at all.
You should.
Yeah. Got done with my shower. It is now
Time for TikTok.
8:36. I've got these dishes to finish.
I'm glad the sun's down though, because now it's gonna make going to sleep a lot easier. Because I didn't know if I was gonna be able to go to sleep with the sun up still.
I know. So
It does look twilighty.
You do. You look good.
I like
She
it.
colored her hair. She colored my hair. It needed it badly.
It's so
Colored Aubrey's hair.
you can't see it 'cause it's wet.
It's so pretty. It turns blue when we walk into Magic Kingdom.
Yeah, because she wanted to be Uma this time.
I thought Evie.
Whatever.
Yeah, Evie.
Right. Yeah, see, it's red underneath the light.
Yeah, see, it looks really good. So are you excited about the trip?
Yeah, I'm ready to be there. At least my nails look good.
Oh, I got mine done too. See?
I can too.
Yeah. Aubrey picked these colors for me. This finger. It's like,
Yeah.
Is that gross?
Do it again.
I can't pick my nose.
Oh.
Peace out, bye. We're gonna do a TikTok to end me and Grandma right now.
Okay, I have to go do a TikTok, so that's what we're gonna go do right now.
And then she's gonna pick a movie and she's gonna lay down and watch the movie and then go to bed.
I was going to do a packing vlog, but we just got so busy I wasn't able to do it. Aubrey, you want to just show them what you're taking on the airplane? Look, show them all this. What's all that?
Okay, I got my head, feet, and I have a.
Yep, and then you get your
these.
and
this
your
one's
this is your backpack and your suitcase, and here's your boots.
And this one's a natural one.
And show us your hat you're gonna be wearing.
Okay, this is what I'm gonna wear to the hotel.
So yeah, this is my suitcase.
Done.
That one's Maddie's. This one's Courtney's. Hey, stop screaming.
When I put this on, I'll
Okay, she's gonna put it on first.
now you get.
So yeah, we didn't get a chance to do any of the packing vlog. So we'll do an unpacking vlog once we get there. Look at how cute this hat is. I love it. So cute. So when we get there tomorrow, the first thing we're gonna be doing is checking into our resort at Lowe's. What is it called? It's the Hawaiian Hotel, Royal Pacific. Lowe's Royal Pacific. We're gonna be checking in there, and then we'll be going. Okay, can you stop? She's super excited. And then we'll be going to City Walk for dinner, and we'll be vlogging all of that stuff, but I'll be posting up a small little vlog tomorrow from our resort, just kind of giving you a little mini tour of the area, maybe while we're at the pool. I haven't decided yet. And then I'll upload that to our YouTube. So every day you'll get a video. I was gonna do live videos. I'm not gonna do live videos. I think it's just best. I'll just do a quick little 2-minute video or 3-minute video of where we're at and what we're doing, kind of like randoms, mini vlogs. And then when we get back, I'll do the full vlog of the entire vacation so that you can see the full ones. That'll probably be like 30 to 40 minutes long.
Let's do a TikTok.
Okay, yes, I have to go do a TikTok. So this is what you get to enjoy in today's mini vlog, a TikTok. Yay! All right, see you guys tomorrow from Universal.